what is the best way to create a clear, easy to understand PPC report for a client? Now, it's going to be important to see what the client needs, what the client appreciates and values. In all our PPC reports, the ACOS, the TACOS, clicks, impressions, CTR, everything what basically Amazon is going to allow us to download, we're going to provide all that. Now, we are not providing that for the client. We are providing that for us. So we have reference, because keep in mind, what the client cares about is sales and profitable sales and growing, if that is their goal, to grow the account. Or maybe if their goal it is to optimize for profitability, they're going to care how much money did you save them while still keeping the same or very similar amount of sales. So those two are basically the goals. And the client, what they are going to value mostly is how close and far are you from that. And really important here, I want to make sure that I'm explaining this correctly, because what I'm seeing most of the time is that agencies or whoever is very much into data and analytics, they want to showcase everything and give all this information and data. The brand owner does not get it. And more importantly, not only that they don't get it, but they get information that they are not finding useful. And then second, they are doubting that you are going to level with them, meaning that you are going to explain to them exactly what is going on within the account. Just sharing a quick story on an account we had selling on multiple marketplaces. They said they're considering another management for their Amazon ads. The current manager was spending money on Amazon PPC ads. Basically, they just threw all the data at them and did not explain to them how does that work, or why does it work, or what is the strategy behind, or what they are doing. It was just numbers, And this is very common to everyone who is very much into data. So they understand data and they would assume that the client or the brand owner would understand it as well. They don't. Now, if you have the type of brand owner for whom they're very strict and they are the strategies behind the account, and you are just managing and optimizing their ads, that is a different approach, because the client might be needing strict data because they understand the data. But most of the time, what we're seeing on our end, if a brand just wants to grow, they want to hit a 5% growth month by month. If you're achieving that very far away from the goal, or only if there are just a few questions that make no sense for them and they're just going to ask based on the data that you're submitting, that is highly more likely to happen rather than a client who's like, oh, do this. Because that type of client is looking for outsourcing, whatever the management side is, when most brands and most clients, what they are looking for is growth. And if you manage to show them that you're growing week by week, month by month, year by year, is more than enough for them.